Episode 33, Xavier's Legacy for Modern Missionaries. Hello everyone. In this final episode, we explore St Francis Xavier's profound and enduring inspiration for modern missionaries and the contemporary relevance of his missionary strategies and devotion to the faith. Xavier's enduring inspiration for modern missionaries. St Francis Xavier's dedication, zeal for evangelism, and commitment to spreading the Christian faith continue to inspire modern-day missionaries. Missionary zeal and dedication. Xavier's unwavering dedication to spreading the gospel serves as an inspiration for missionaries today. His passion for evangelism and devotion to the faith remain an essential model for contemporary practitioners. Adaptation in missions. Xavier's missionary strategies involve adaptation and understanding of local cultures and languages, which is a relevant approach for modern missionaries, emphasizing the importance of contextualizing faith. Global outreach and evangelization. Xavier's global outreach, crossing continents to spread the Christian faith, inspires modern missionaries to engage in worldwide evangelization, emphasizing the universality of the gospel. Emphasis on education and knowledge sharing. Xavier's establishment of schools and focus on education inspires contemporary missionaries to recognize the role of education in both evangelization and community development. Commitment to the marginalized. Xavier's commitment to reaching out to the marginalized and undeserved communities inspires modern missionaries to prioritize service to the needy and neglected. Approach to interfaith dialogue. Xavier's respectful approach to interweaving Christianity with local spiritual beliefs encourages modern missionaries to engage in respectful interfaith dialogue, fostering understanding and harmony. Continuing influence on missionary practices. St. Francis Xavier's enduring influence on missionary practices continues to shape the work of contemporary missionaries. His strategies, commitment, and adaptability remain relevant and exemplary. Application of Xavier's ideals today. Modern missionaries draw from Xavier's ideals, applying his strategies, dedication, and adaptability in their mission work, emphasizing relevance and effectiveness. Lessons from Xavier's legacy. The legacy of St. Francis Xavier provides valuable lessons for modern missionaries, emphasizing the importance of dedication, adaptability, education, and a commitment to the marginalized. St. Francis Xavier's enduring legacy serves as a guiding light for modern missionaries. His missionary strategies, dedication, and devotion to the faith remain relevant and continue to inspire those engaged in the mission of spreading the gospel. Thank you for joining me for this final episode. Xavier's legacy offers invaluable insights and guidance, paving the way for contemporary missionaries to continue the noble work of spreading the Christian faith with devotion and adaptability.